Guys, here I am with another unboxing video of a cupboard that is portable, so you can use it as a wardrobe or you can arrange anything in the cupboard because it has a lot of space. I've ordered it from Daraz.pk in red color, so let's see what we have inside the box. I'm opening it for the first time. Wow, here it is, and yeah, they have a nice picture of the cupboard. Its model is 88130. It's a storage wardrobe. Size is 130 into 45 into 175. So it has three cupboards. It has three columns or rows. Yeah, so you can have a lot of cabinets. You can also hang your clothes or just put your things to arrange, organize. I was needing some extra space for my kids things because we were really unorganized, and I hope this will be enough to store the toys that I bought for them. Okay, this is I think the cover, so I will just put it aside, and these are a lot of rods which come so tied together, so they are coming in bundles. That means I think this will be of one shelf and 2 3 4 5 shelves or 5 sets of how many there are. 1 2 3 4 5 6 15 each, I think. Yeah, so there are 15. Yeah, 15 rods in each of the bundle, and then there are some open. So this one is open, and this one. And what else do we have? We have this small rods also. I don't know what they are for, but we'll know it soon. So this is an instruction manual also. So installation instructions. They said they have given 74 big size pipes, 8 small pipes, 1 hook, sorry, 2 hooks, but I can't see the hooks yet. Yeah, I don't see the hooks in the box, but maybe in the packet we'll see it later. Okay, 8 foot caps, which I also don't see. Oh, maybe the hooks are in this. See, this looks like a hook. We'll get to know about it. So 2 hooks, 8 foot caps, 20 T-joints, 8 I think they want to say straight or steet T-joints, which look like this. 12 cross joints, 14 pieces of sheet, and 1 cloth cover. And they will make it like this. I think hooks are optional because I don't want to hang a lot of clothes. I have a big enough cupboard to hang clothes. I just want a cupboard to organize their toys. So these are a lot of joints and different so T joints and straight T joints. And okay, so I will start compiling them, and then I will from time to time show you how I do it, and then I'll also show you what it looks like at the end, and then I'll tell you if I'm happy to buy it or not, and if you should buy it. See you. Okay, so I'm gonna open this packet, and I have an extra pair of hands to help today, which is a small one, but yeah, help is never small. And yeah, so let's start by looking for these. I think we can start from the bottom. So we need T joints, which are what? 20 T joints. What are 20 T? Oh no, foot caps. Let's start with foot caps then. We have 8 foot caps, they say. So let's take out 8 foot caps. Okay. So here we have 8 foot caps. Let's separate them for now. And this is not a foot cap. Okay, I'll separate each of them, and then I'll show you how many, if we have them complete, and how they look, what they look like. Okay, so I have counted everything. We have these, I think 20. Yeah, yeah. It says that we should have 20, and we do have 20. And then we have two rods. These were separate, so I have joined them with these rods. And we have 8 kneecaps and 8 small rods, which so kneecaps will fix on them. I'll show you how we do it. And we have 12 cross joints. Cross joints are these. And we have straight T joints 8. And I have also counted the rods. These ones, they are 74. So everything is I haven't counted the cloth yet. I hope it should also be enough, and what they have promised. I'll show you how. When I've counted, I'll tell you. But we fixed the kneecaps. Yeah, you call it kneecap, foot caps. So foot caps on these small rods like this, small pipes like this. So we will have 8 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 on the back. I'll look at the cloth, and then I'll tell you how we started. So these are 14 sheets of cloth, and then we have this big. This is pretty nice stuff, not bad. Reasonable in this price. And big enough, I think. These are also 14 small sheets, which will fit in between the rods, between the cabinets. I'll start from feet. So when I've done the first layer, I'll show you how I have done it. Okay, so as the first step, I have added these cross joints. Yeah, these, no, yeah, 8 cross joints. These ones, with each of the feet, each of the small pipes. So it has foot cap at one end and then T joints at the other end. And now I will add rods to each of their sides. It will make a basic skeleton like this. But I will also put 3 cloths in each of the rod, so that it has a good grip. I'll show you how I have done it. Okay, so it had holes, the cloth pieces, and I had to put the rod through them. And now make sure, yeah, like this. And now make sure that when you fix them, these rough sides should come downwards, so it should look neat from inside like this. So no rough side on the up. I will join these with these ends, and I will show you how the basic structure looks. So this is what the basic structure looks like. I have seen a lot of videos claiming that they had to spend 4 or 5 hours in making this cupboard, but it just took me 5 minutes max to do this layer, and then I'll show you how much time the other layers take. This is what it looks like. You don't need any tools, hammers or anything to do this. This is very simple. You just have to put the rods and press them a bit. I'll show you what next steps do I take. So we are all done with our second layer also. So we did the same thing, put the cloth through the rods, and this is what it looks like till now. Now we will see how the third row we make, because it will have shelves in the center only, as in the picture, but I will show you how we make it. The extra pair of hands had apparently been really helpful in doing it very fast. So we put these rods like this on all the 4 sides, and now we will put covered rods on these sides. I will show you how I do it. So here we have added 2 more shelves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on these sides it's only rods because we have to hang the clothes. Now we will just put one more on the height in the center, and then we'll put the top. आपने भी सामने नहीं आना. So guys, here's the final look of the cupboard. I have put on the cloth. It was so easy to do it, and it didn't take more than half an hour to assemble it, or 40 minutes maybe. There was some space to tie the cloth cover so that it keeps in space, and you can zip or unzip the cabinets like this. And if you want to keep them unzipped, there is some space to just roll them and stick them like this. I'm too lazy to roll on at this moment, but yeah, it sticks like this. So it's pretty good, and well, it's quite lightweight, so you won't be able to carry heavy things on it, but it's a pretty good wardrobe to keep clothes or toys for your children. It has 2 rods to hang the clothes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shelves to keep things. So a good one in this price. I'll drop the link of the shop where I bought from, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.